Hey Stitchy Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today I will show you how to add a padding pocket onto your bra or bikini top. I will show you two ways depending on the pattern, with or without the side seam. Save this one, you will need it. And now let's jump right in. First up, if your pattern has a side seam like the Sandy Bikini top, on the lining front piece only find a center and mark 2.5 centimeters up and also down. Then mark 1 centimeter to the side and create round shape opening right here. And then we can place the lining front pieces wrong sides together and cut both in one step, so the opening is the same on both pieces. Then you can just cut the opening like this. Then you can finish the edges with serger or zigzag stitch, but actually you don't need this if you are using swimwear fabric, it won't fray. So I'm leaving it as it is. But just keep in mind, if you are making the sandy, it means it won't be reversible anymore because you have the opening on the lining layer. It would be visible from this side. And then finish the piece as I showed you in the original tutorial. I will finish it on the video, don't worry, but it's actually really the same process. Now we can move to the Grace bra. And if your pattern has no side seam like the Grace bra or, for example, the Olivia one, the opening goes into the bottom seam instead. So I usually measure 5 centimeters from the dart and then again 2.5 to one side, 1, 2.5 to one side, and 1, 2.5 onto the other side. Then 1 centimeter up here and create round shape for the opening. Will be something like this. I don't know if you can see the chalk, but I will cut it so you will see it. And I will cut both pieces in one step again here. By the way, the pattern weights are in the process, so they will be in my shop really soon. And cut the opening. Perfect. Now we can finish the opening with serger or zigzag stitch and finish both pieces as in the original tutorials. I will finish the Sandy Bikini top first and sew the front pieces right sides together. Then slide your straps into the front pieces. Make sure the right side of the strap is facing the right side of your front piece. And the second one, and sew your straps in place. Now you can fold the seam allowance to the wrong side and turn the front piece to the right side. Then sew your back piece. And both side seams I am using the tube method. Now we can turn the top to the right side through one of the openings we made. And we are done with the Sandy Bikini top with the opening for your padding. Let's finish the Grace bra now. First I search the openings. Then sew the darts. Then center front. Well, I just realized my camera was off, so it can happen. Then place your pieces right sides together and sew them with adding the elastic to the seams. Then slide the elastic strap into the fabric one. Make sure the right side of your strap is facing the right side of the main fabric. Like this. And the second one as well. Right side of the strap facing the right side of the main fabric. Slide it inside. Then fold the seam allowances to the wrong side and secure it with a straight stitch. Then turn the whole bra to the right side. And pin and baste the bottom edge. You can also use a long straight stitch instead of the basting thread. Then add the underbust elastic and also both strap loops. Then sew your closure. Secure the strap loops and thread and stitch the straps.